There simply isn't enough XRP to meet the ever-growing demand for its utility, making it a high-price token, not just inevitably, but necessity to ensure the necessary liquidity is to meet global demand. That's right, we're going to talk about XRP, and this is huge. Let me tell you, this is absolutely insane. We're going to be breaking down exactly the US financial institutions using it, and more importantly, a massive link back into some big banks and the XRP CBDC. So subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on. But what we've just been saying about is this. This is from Black Swan Capitalist talking about XRP and the ever-growing demand as we move into a more mainstream view of XRP, given the outcome that we got against the SEC. It's time for skeptics to wake up to this economic reality. And we're going to talk a little bit about it in this video. So, US financial institutions are to consider using XRP after their recent victory. And we've talked about this a couple of times in some previous videos, but this will send XRP into the stratosphere. This is a significant ruling. Judge in New York made a radical decision stating that XRP is not a security. What does that mean? Well, Ripple is actively advocating the use of XRP as a bridge currency for banks and financial institutions. Major companies like Bank of America, American Express, and Santander have previously collaborated with Ripple for cross-border payments. Now, I talked about this in my video yesterday in that 20 banks are currently in discussions with Ripple to link in to the infrastructure and bring in a CBDC, or even using the XRP token to support their cross-border payment systems and fundamentally moving significant amounts of money around the globe at a hugely reduced price. So there's, in addition, Ripple's high markup, along with its use of international markets, make it a trustworthy token for buying fiat currency like USD. Therefore, banks can hold on to their XRP reserves and liquidate them quickly into USD and local currency reserves. Think about that. You've got a banking system that no longer requires to be a fractional banking system. It's very, very important, and I think it's absolutely ushering in the next digital era of banking systems. I think it's going to be huge. It says, over the spawn of the lawsuit, Ripple's business suffered, losing a major customer in the partner MoneyGram in March 21. Additionally, Tetragon, a UK-based investor, sold its stake back in Ripple after a failed attempt to sue the company. Although Ripple's partial victory is met with celebration by the crypto industry, Alderity noted that it was not a complete win. The SEC has the option to appeal, and we've talked about that as well, but we already know those banking institutions are discussing with Ripple, and this could be huge, like I said, for the banking systems as well as Ripple. And what we also know is that we are now starting to see Hong Kong's Fubon Bank sector explore real estate tokenization using Ripple's CBDC platform. The bank's chief strategy officer and vice president Zhu Lusreng revealed the news. Slated for the third quarter test, the program will see the conversion of Hong Kong dollars into a digital test version for issuing EHKD loans to chosen customers using Ripple's tech, and will facilitate the tokenization of property lines. So I think, again, we are seeing the real world use case of XRP, with huge institutions starting to look into XRP and some even getting their toes wet in terms of what XRP could bring. This is fantastic news. It's huge news. And again, tokenization using the XRP ledger as well as using the XRP coin is absolutely exactly what we expected on the back of that win. So not only do we have venture capitalists coming in, we have banking institutions using it. We even have now countries using it. And again, remember, Hong Kong supported by that Chinese view of cryptocurrency now being bullish as ever. This could really usher in a new era for XRP. When we take a look at the price though, this is all going under the radar. So you have to smash the like, you have to share this. We have to get more people to understand exactly what's coming with XRP, because people don't know. They don't know the huge potential of this. They don't know what's coming. And fundamentally, they don't know the massive institutional use cases that we are going to see with XRP. Think about it. We are about 2 weeks post the outcome from the SEC. We've got 20 banks talking about digital assets. We've got Hong Kong starting to use a tokenization version of Ripple to support their real estate, and many, many more. This thing is only going to grow arms and legs, and it's going to get big. Again, though, we bounced off this kind of 7003 support level as the market did push down. We saw Bitcoin test 29K once again, and it's holding about that 73. We want to see 7104 is a big support level for us. You can see this trending pattern as we've been in the last kind of week, maybe even 2 weeks, with a push up broke 73 but got rejected, came back down. So on the technical side of things, XRP is again consolidating at slightly lower levels as we expect a push up in the market, but don't be fooled. I don't think XRP sits here for the longest time. I think we could see a massive push up, especially if we start to see some of these banks really utilize the tokenization and equally using it for cross-border payments. Could be insane. But as ever, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of XRP? What do you think of XLM? And as ever, thank you so much for support. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.